Look at the color. Wow. Welcome everyone, it's Chef Nini's Kitchen, where I teach you how to make delicious dishes from around the world with nutrition tips and smart food shopper hacks along the way. And today we have a special guest, Auntie Gigi.
Hi my dear, how are
Oh,
you?
so excited.
Nice to see you again.
I know, I've been wanting to get her on my channel for so long. So if you guys don't know about Auntie Gigi, she is literally my second mum. And she's just amazing. She's like my Algerian queen, taught me a lot of stuff, especially when it came to baking and so forth. So yeah, I've known her for like, what, 29 years now? Oh my God, I'm getting old.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
more than that.
Yeah.
More than
Wow.
that, 33 years
Yeah,
now.
yeah, it's been, it's been nice. So I want you to just, tell us what we're going to be making today.
Okay, today we're making tabouleh, which is like couscous salad with some veg, and then it's eaten mostly during the summertime. It's really easy and lighter.
Yes.
It's not really heavy.
And it's vegan as well, guys.
Okay.
So if you are vegan, you wanted a vegan dish, this one is definitely for you. So let's get started.
Yeah.
So we've got some lemon juice, so freshly squeezed lemon.
And then here, hot water.
Yes. In here we've got some herbs. We've got parsley, dill, hold on, this is over there.
And coriander.
And coriander, so cilantro. So we've got 3 of our herbs and we've washed them as well. And then we've got some more. So we've also got a bowl for our couscous. We've got some cucumbers as well.
And then 3 color of pepper.
Yeah, so bell peppers. Look how nicely she chopped them. That is so beautiful.
Yeah. And here, tomato.
Tomatoes as well.
So you can also add whatever you want to add, like tuna or something, or shredding chicken.
Yes.
It can go with it. I mean, mix all
mix
this.
it in. Yeah.
But today we do only veg.
Yes, that is fine.
And okay. That is measurement of the couscous, which is, that measurement is equally for water, because I already measured it. It's just, the worry about is not the same cup, but it's the same measurement basically.
Okay.
So I'm going to wet this couscous with a hot water. Yeah. And then stir it, so it's going to get dry.
So the couscous is going to get fluffy, guys, okay?
Yeah. So that to show you how we
make the couscous.
Yeah, we make a couscous. We're not going to cook it.
Yes.
Because all that mixture with the water, and look at the nice lemon, lemon here, and then we leave it to dry. Okay. And then the lemon going to make it.
Oh, it's going to puff it up.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
And then even the water.
Yes.
So I'll show you now. Because you need to leave it for a while. Look, that one has been prepared before. I pour the lemon juice and the hot water. Okay, you do the herbs. I'm going to start to mix all those vegetables here.
Yeah, so I'll put this on your side then.
I'm going to start to put a pepper, all this color, into the couscous. That couscous is already salted. I put the salt before, so don't worry. If you don't see the
salt and pepper,
the salty, don't worry.
Can I ask you, how do you want it finely diced?
Really small.
Really small.
If you can, yeah.
So what I'm doing, guys, I'm basically, when you're doing salad, you just want to kind of wrap it on itself, yeah, and then you can start to go you know, and then just really small. I'm going to go over it twice anyway, so it's fine.
Look, already the color is beautiful.
Yeah,
don't
it
you
is.
look? See?
It looks so nice.
And here are cucumber as well.
And you know what's so interesting, Auntie? Because I had like one of my students,
Yeah.
she's Lebanese and she had it. So is it like really popular in like different Arab countries or like Algerian
But
or
it's not a
things?
couscous. You know what they call it? I forgot.
I don't think she had couscous in it.
I don't know how they call it.
Yeah.
That it's really Lebanese. All the Middle East, they use it. So,
if you are from Lebanon or any of the other countries, please comment and let us know what the name is as well, because it was very similar without the couscous and it tastes delicious.
yeah, but the name, I don't know the name. Really. Look, it's really big dish.
Yeah. Wow.
And the color, I love the color.
Yeah, me too. But you know what's so amazing? Like, it was only a small little bit, a bowl.
Yeah.
Wow. Just goes
It's
to
only
show.
it's only that cup.
Yeah.
That cup
Gives you that.
give you that.
Wow.
So I keep stirring and put everything in there.
So guys, you are literally mixing it with these herbs, right?
Yeah.
And they are so high in like antioxidants. They're so good for you. They've got literally like so many different vitamins, from vitamin K to you've got like probably a little bit of like B vitamins in there as well, vitamin C possibly.
Absolutely.
Just a mixture of you know.
All this, yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, it is only for now only 2 spoons.
Okay.
And then the rest of it you can have it when you are ready to eat.
Okay.
Yeah, the meal.
Okay.
The time for dinner or lunch. You can have the rest of it.
Yes. And then do you want the herbs?
So
yeah?
now the herbs.
Okay. Okay. Wow, it's so fresh.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm going to give you a little story time, yeah? One time, we was like 14, and we was going to France. And because, like, you see my mum, you see how fair she is, yeah? So, like, you said to Lina that it was okay for her to come with us to France.
Yeah.
But we didn't even have all the papers properly.
Yeah.
And then when we went to Dover, they were, like, asking us, like, you know, questions like, you know, your passport, all the things. And my mum was like, cha, she my daughter, cha, go on through, man, cha, cha.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, like, you said yes to mum to take her.
Yeah, to take her.
But did you understand mum, though? Like, how, when she talked to you, did you understand what she was saying?
No, it's Lina was explained to me what was it.
But this is the thing, though. I feel like when you have, like, immigrant parents, like, obviously, I came here when I was little.
Yeah.
And I feel like when, like, English is not the first language, but then patois on top of that, like, I feel like you and mum only started to understand, you understand mum probably, like, what, 2021?
Yes.
When we did the half.
Yeah.
Oh, my God, guys. That was a madness. Like, I think you made 150 cookies every single day. And she taught mum about coffee. She was like, Marlene, come on, we got to have coffee. And then she was teaching you, like, how to make the curry goat and the rice and peas and chicken.
Yeah.
I swear, it's like, wow, man. Just, yeah.
Now we start really to communicate.
Yeah, communicate. Like 20-something years, nearly 30 years later, that's when they started to communicate.
Now we're going to put that in the fridge.
Okay, so we got the salad now. It's been resting. Oh, look at that. That looks amazing.
Look at the color.
Wow, that looks so fresh.
Yeah.
So I'm going to share it a little bit. Wow. I can't believe that little tiny thing is literally
You see how
everything.
little measurement.
Wow.
Look how it's make a really big dish.
So couscous can really last you for like a long time, right?
Yeah.
Wow. So.
Now you can keep
Alright.
it.
Put a bit more. Okay, guys. And that's it. From our kitchen to yours.
What do you think? Crispy?
So for more delicious foods from around the world, smart food shopper hacks and nutrition tips, you want to thumb this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my lovely playlist. I've got so many delicious things there. See you in the next video. Bye.